Sing!
Hi guys, so today we'll be doing our Disney bounding Ursula inspired makeup tutorial where I just wore a tube top, sweetheart cut, and since my hair is already purple, might as well maximize it, and I'll be showing you how to do it. Sorry, I don't really put makeup on. I only put a full face of makeup during Halloween and Christmas party, like office Christmas parties, and that's it. Then the rest would be just mascara and cheek thing, and that's it. So I'll be using this Nature Republic aloe vera spray. I already applied this aloe vera moisturizer on my face earlier, but I just like to apply it again before I put anything else on my face. I've got this crusty ass Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Shine Free Foundation for oily skin. I got it in a sachet in the color 120 Classic Beige, because I'm trying to go for a pale skin, well, as pale as I can get. Yeah, I think that's pale enough. Anyway, we're going to be putting on a white face paint on it to make the colors pop, and we'll be using this iMagic Professional Flash Color Case. We'll be using this brush, a flat eyeshadow brush. I don't really know what you call it, or if you don't have this, just try it on if it's gonna work better to just use your fingers. So we'll just be taking some of this. Oh yeah, fuck, it's white. It is white. Just what we need.
Fuck, it's white!
I'm putting that on the sides of my nose as well, because we'll be contouring like a drag queen later on. We'd want to just tap that over. Then we'll be applying a real eyeshadow later on to keep that in place. We'll be getting any light blue eyeshadow, or any blue eyeshadow, just to keep this in place. Trying to do an outer V with my finger. Let's just use this. I'll just be using a purple eyeshadow. Any purple. I don't even know exactly what I'm going to use. Any purple eyeshadow that you've got. We're trying to create a fake crease. Dragging that inwards. Purple again, and basically we're just trying to copy what we did here to this eye. Good luck. Here, so I tried to diffuse this part and blend it out a bit because it's a really harsh line if you can see that. So what I did was just, without adding any products on it, just whatever product was left, and just over that over that light blue shimmery shadow. Put that on the highest point. And this same brush that we used earlier for the light blue, no, teal face paint, we'll just be dragging that over under eye. On this purple shades. Fuck, eyeliner. I'll try to do one eye first. Then hopefully we get it as equal as possible. I'll try to get close to the camera here. Alright, I'm gonna go with an eyeshadow eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, which has a brush tip, so I can go really thinly because your girl has hooded eyes, and that's a problem. We're trying to get as close to the eyelashes as possible and going really slowly. Alright, moment of truth. The flick. Fleek. Long E. Fleek. Not flick. Chick. Flick. Chick. Fuck, whatever. And apply this eyeliner. You know, hooded eye problems. I'm trying to look straight to the mirror. Because I have to do the eyeliner way below my hood. All this blue eyeshadow just fucking disappears. See that? It's huge. Now it's gone. Hooded eye problems. If you're getting the same problems, not just with eyeshadows and eyeliners, please let me know down below what you do to actually resolve that. Anyway, I'll try to do this one eye first. See how it goes. Curl our lashes. I think the eyeliner is already dry. I hope. I'll be using this Hyper Curl, Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. It's just like around $3-4 here in the Philippines. This is like an everyday mascara. This is the only mascara that I have. And try to look down. Like really down, just like this. Wiggle that to deposit the product and every bit, every piece of eyelash that you've got. Take that out. See that? At least, well, looks way better than this. I think. Well, I mean, that's for me. Lashes. So a tip. Put it around your pinky, so it's gonna be round. Well, you try to open the bottle of glue. Shit. This again is another step that could ruin everything. And will be the same. It will be repeating the same steps on the left eye. That could again ruin everything. So fucking heavy. Well, it looks decent to me.
Sing.
I'll just try to do this off camera. Hi, so we're back. We made it. We did it. It's not perfectly equal, but it's not noticeable, so I'm gonna go with that. Still pinching my other eyelashes here. Pushing that up. Now we're gonna go with our eyebrows. She got really black eyebrows. And guys, I'm sitting on the floor, so it's really messy right now. I can't have an arch, a thin brow with really high arches, just like Ursula's, because
My brows are fake. Yes, it's fake, bitch. I had it microbladed, so
eyebrows. Her eyebrow game is strong. Alright, we're back. So, this, you know, flat straight brush. I don't know what you call it, but it's this. Now I think we're gonna be using this. It's bluish purplish.
Yeah, no, but I use a bigger brush. Hit it. Course I'm ready.
What a shot. Fuck my eyelashes. This is making me fucking cry. Fucking cry. Alright, I'll still be using this.
Fucked up or not, or if we super fucked up. Ah! Fuck, it worked, bitch! Oh, this is so pretty.
Now I'm rethinking my life. I think I don't want to do this anymore.
I don't want to do this anymore.
We'll be using this purplish one. I'm not feeling this shit. I'm just gonna take it off. We're back. So yeah, I did take that off. We'll be applying white face paint. And then now we'll be using the neck again.
Oh shit.
Let's try to do this. Let's try to do it this way. And hope it works. Let's just take this off now. Putting a light blue. I'll just be putting this on all over here and then I'll be back. Looks good like this. Let's just use a freaking eyeshadow to finish this off faster. So let's use this more blue one. Get in a small lip brush. I don't know, it's just a small brown brush like this. Well, I'm good with this. We're using Dare to Be Red from Maybelline. Maybelline, New York. Maybe she's Maybelline. And really defining our cupid's bow. Overlining our underlip and, well, our whole lips a bit. Just use our black gel liner. There you go.
There you go.
Something's missing. Scales here. We'll use the blue one. Blue, purple, blue, violet, blue, purple. we'll be drawing scales. Hair.
I like the way you do that right her.
Alright, so I've got our curling iron. Those are bangs. My bangs got fucked up because of that clip.
Oh fuck! I got this from McDonald's Happy Meal, so let's see, let's just give it a go.
You poor unfortunate soul.
And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you'd want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. And yes, I do love Little Mermaid. Let me show you. See that?